Alright, man, let me see if I can get a quick video on this before my phone melts down. It's so freaking hot. Yeah, we got a 74. 74? 1974 F100 Ranger. And it is hot, man. It's beginning of June. We're in June, right? Yeah. And it's hot as Bojangles. Yeah. Got a bag here. Nothing. I'm gonna do some kind of quick, man. Oh, she had a little headliner going on there. Yeah. Seen better days in the interior. Like that patina though. Let's back it on up. She had full trim on her. Look at that. Missing the tailgate. The bed floor is not all beat to crap. I mean, she got some dents on her, but not too bad. This side, yeah. What does that say there? Roughneck Perry Waco. Doesn't say nothing on that side. Door looks all right. What's in here? Oh, look at that. Check that out, man. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I like that. There's the 100 on it. She got some nice looking seat belts on her. Yeah. Yeah, warranty 1973. That's cool. I'll take that. That's cool. Nothing else in here. No. Dash is cracked. Right there. Show me these cool bull bars, man. Look at that. What's that? Smash hit. The Perry Company. Waco, Texas. It's right up the road. 390. Use regular fuel. 2-barrel. Heck yeah. So that grill survived. Yes, it did. Yep. That's how that hood looks. I ended up destroying my phone. It's gonna die. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. I'd like to get this. Yeah, man. I say Ford? I think that says Ford on there. Does it? It does. I think so. That's cool. You see disc brakes on her? See how she looked underneath real quick. Hey man, she looked fairly solid. Heck yeah. Yes, she did. Well, the bed's beat up though. You can see it. Saw something else here. I thought it's interesting. What's that say? Econo Econo tank by Recreational Products Marketing in Waco. Damn, it's all right here. So they got, there's your auxiliary, and then your main, and then off. Let's see, quarter and quarter. That's neat. I like that. Huh. Econo tanks, main and auxiliary. Nice. Cool, man. Cool truck. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. All the glass except the windshield's good on it. I don't know what else to say on it. Cool little truck. Oh, check that out. I didn't know. I'll be darned. It's right here. Wow. That's neat. I didn't know it was right there. Cool. Just seen that. Yep. Man, this truck could have been saved, man. She ain't that bad. Oh well. She'll be parted out and crushed eventually, like the rest of them here. Alright, man. It's gonna do it for the next one.